Welcome back to EDS Kicks. Today we have the Adidas Ultra Boost Mid Parley. So this is the latest collaboration that Adidas has done with Parley. And the previous models, this one is actually in a mid-top form. This was exclusive to the 747 event in Adidas. As you guys could see, I even got a pin right there. But getting right into the shoes, same Ultra Boost box and tissue paper. Nothing really different, between these and any other Ultra Boost. But I honestly think this is the cleanest one out of the whole Parley series. You guys a better look at it. It's pretty much all white, and then translucent. The three stripes and around the toe, which circles around all the way to the other side of the sneaker. Medial side again, we have the three stripes, and we have the Parley waves right here in the back going all the way around. Looks really cool with the white. I feel like the baby blue and the white together just contrast really well. And then on the little heel tab we have Adidas and then Parley right there. And once again on the tongue we have the Adidas and Parley logos. Collar is ribbed right there as every other Ultra Boost Mid, the collabs have been at least. Inside of the sneaker it says Adidas and then Parley with a teal insole. And getting into the outsole, it's just an all white Continental, of course. And the torsion system again, like a little bit of a color to it. The laces that come on it are all white, but this is one of the few Ultra Boosts that comes with extra pairs of laces in a baby blue teal colorway, which I'll probably put on. So I did get these at 747 warehouse. You had to win a raffle pretty much. Retail on them was $250. Right now they're going for about $400 on the resale market. So, I'm not sure if they're going to release again. And if they don't, the prices will go up. But if they do, then the prices will definitely drop down a little bit. But, if you really want the sneaker, I suggest going ahead and buying it. Sizing wise, I went true to size, but you could go half a size up if you like a looser fit. The 747 event, pretty much you had to pick just one size and go with it, so you really had no control over what size you'll end up getting besides the one you originally put. But the 10 fits, it's not too bad, but 10.5 would probably fit a little bit better on it. So yeah, overall a clean shoe. Retail was a little bit high on it, but being a collab and a mid-top Ultra Boost, can't really expect anything else. And if you guys have any questions, please hit me up in the comment section. And like the video and subscribe for more, and until next time, thank you guys.